10.2 says the probability that it will snow in Drakensberg Mountains in June is 5%. When it snows on the mountains, the probability that the minimum temperature in central South Africa will drop below 0 degrees is 72%. If it does not snow on the mountains, the probability that the minimum temperature in central Southern Africa will drop below 0 degrees Celsius is 35%. Represent the given information on a tree diagram. Clearly indicate the probabilities associated with each branch. So we start from the beginning. Remember, in a tree branch, at that level in the trees, the probabilities are always related and should be complementary. So the probability that it will snow in Drakensberg Mountains is 5%. We can represent that as a decimal of 0.05. And if that is true, for this to be complementary, the probability that it does not snow, so that will be just snow with the little copy, that will be 0.95. And then we go on to the next level of information. So now we are seeing that the probability, so when it snows, so we over here, when it snows, the probability that the minimum temperature in central South Africa will drop below 0 degrees is 72. So that it will drop below 0 degrees is 72, which is 0.72. But if it does not drop below, so that will be 0.28. And then we go on to the third level of information, where if it does not snow, what is the probability that the minimum temperature will drop below? So the probability that the minimum temperature will drop below 0 degrees is now lower with the 0.35%. Well, 35%, but 0.35 in decimal format, and complementary, its value would be 0.65. So this is the tree diagram representing this information.